Alright, this video lesson is going to show you how to use Google Sketchup to find a house that you like according to your style. Step 1 is we're going to go find SketchUp. SketchUp 8 is our most current SketchUp. And we're going to let it open. When it opens, you'll see this screen, so we're going to start using SketchUp. And we're not going to create our own, we're going to go find it so that we can use it. First thing I'm going to do is get rid of the little person. Then I'm going to go to 3D Warehouse, get models, and type in the stuff the style you like. So, I don't know, let's try Cape Cod, just for an example to show you. Search, and let's see what it pulls up for Cape Cod style homes. And it'll come up with furniture and all kinds of different things, but we just go through. So let's say, maybe it was that one. So you'd find the style of house that you like and you're going to download it. Now I actually prefer more of the, let's go, the Victorian. Search. And I'm going to look to find one that I like. That's not going to be. Something that'll be fun to build, but not too hard to build. Something that'll work. There, this one works for me. And I'm going to download it straight into SketchUp, and I'm going to click. And zoom all. Okay, they place. That's fine. And do a quick save as. Sorry. You drive to your folder. Come on. Of course, it's not responding. There we go. And I'm going to call this Victorian. Now I'm going to send this to layout. We send it to layout because we want to get the layout of all the 4 views of this home, front, back, right, and side, right and left, etc., so that we can print them out and somebody start creating a model and build it. There it goes. Okay. Letter landscape. And then we're going to check our scale. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click. I'll go standard view and I'm going to say front first. Then I'm going to right click scale and it'll either be 1/8 or 1/4. So let's see if it'll fit on here at 1/4 scale. So there's my bottom. So I'm only missing the tip top part of it here on that scale. Well, that's fine because I can go in and I can make that. That's not a big deal. So I'm going to take this view and I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to click on the plus sign under pages and I'm going to add a page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, page 2, paste. Since I had the front, now I'm going to go standard views and I'm going to get the back. There's my back. Page 3, paste. Standard views, let's get the right. There we go. There's my right. Make sure it sits in there. Left. Standard views. There you go. Okay, good. And then there will be top. And mainly because I'm most interested in where the roof and everything goes on this one. Okay, good. Stairs, I'm not worried about. I can get those. And I'm going to do a quick save as. Same thing. Save it to your folder. Victorian layout. And believe it or not, I'm going to delete my roof because I actually want to see where all my walls are at, and that's why I'm deleting my roof. You don't have to delete every last bit of it, but I'm just doing it so I can see. The main thing is I want to know where my rooms are. So here in a second, I'm going to send this to layout. I don't know exactly where to start laying those walls around. That's all I'm doing. Okay, that works for me. Again, doesn't all have to be gone. You can even stay on here, it doesn't matter. Camera, there are standard views. Top. File. Save as Victorian. No roof. Send to layout. Repeat the process. And again, remember the main part for me is I need to know where my walls and everything are going to go. Copy, and I'm going to put it back over in here to my Victorian layout. And you need to make sure you check your scale. Check that scale more than once because I knew that was not right just by looking at it. Here we go. And I'm looking at this, and it looks like I may need to get it in two different views. So I may need to add yet another page. And copy this so I can get the whole thing. Sometimes you're going to have to, like, splice it together. Come on, page 7, cooperate. Okay. So if I'm looking at it, I have pretty much everything here. Yep, I'm going to have to do the same thing that I should have known. 10 only has partial. So again, same thing. I'm going to have to copy and paste to put this on multiple pages. Copy. Add a page. And put that in there. And then save that as my Victorian layout. Okay. Again, save as my Victorian layout to my folder. Okay, Victorian layout done. Because I have all my pages. And then I'm going to print these. And we're going to print them to the color printer. So we're looking for the color LaserJet. And then we get to start the building process. You can remember, you can also, just to remind you, your furniture that we have to put into the house, you can go get examples of it from here also. So remember, I did the Victorian. So I could get a mirror. I could come in here and say, I want the vanity chest. I could get different things here in Google Sketchup that I'd want to use in my actual house, and I can do the same thing, send them to layout, then print them out and put them on my display board. All right, time to have some fun with finding a housing style that you like and building a model and doing your research for it.